Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to clear your off Facebook activity history from Facebook on Android. So this is my Android smartphone, so let's start. So first of all you have to open your Facebook app and then log into your Facebook account. So let me find my Facebook app. So here is my Facebook app. Let me tap on this to open it. You can see guys it's opened and you can see I'm already logged into my Facebook account. If you haven't, just log in. And after that guys you have to tap on this three horizontal lines, this menu icon at the top right section. So let me tap on this. And after that guys you have to scroll down to settings and privacy. So here I have this settings and privacy. Just tap on this to expand it. And after that you have to tap on this settings. And on this screen guys you have to scroll down to your Facebook information section. So let me go over there. So here I have this your Facebook information section, and in this section you have to go to this off Facebook activity. Just tap on this. And you can see guys I have this off Facebook activity screen opened, and here I have this message. Let's read that. Your off Facebook activity. Off Facebook activity includes information that businesses and organizations share with us about your interactions with them, such as visiting their apps or websites. And guys, if you want to learn more about this feature, you can just tap on this learn more link. So in order to clear your off Facebook activity history from Facebook, what you need to do, you have to tap on this clear history, this link over here. You can see disconnect off Facebook activity history from your account. Just tap on this. And you can see guys I have this clear history screen opened, and here we have this clear history button. And also guys, let me show you that you can open this clear history screen by using another method. So let me show you. So let me tap on this cross this link in order to close this clear history screen. Okay, so what you need to do guys, you have to tap on your off Facebook activity over here, this website section. So let me tap on this, and it's now opened. You can see only you can see this list, your off Facebook activity. This is a summary of the 88 apps and websites that have shared your activity. So this number might be different in your case. And here we have this clear history button. So before clearing history, let me tell you one thing, that suppose if you want to turn off future activity from a specific website, then you can go to the website and then tap on it to open it. So suppose if I want to turn off future activity from this website linkedin.com, then I need to tap on it to open it. You can see guys it's opened, and after that guys here we have this turn off future activity from linkedin.com. So let me show you. So let me tap on this this link, and you can see I have this screen opened, manage future activity, turn off future activity from linkedin.com, and here we have some information. So if you agree that, just tap on this turn off this button. So let me tap on this turn off, and it's now turned off guys. You can see the website is now gone, and here we have this message, a future activity from linkedin.com has been turned off. So it's now done. Let's clear your off Facebook activity history. So for that guys, what you need to do, you have to come to this screen, tap on this clear history button. So let me tap on this, and I have this clear history screen opened, and here I have this message. Let's read that. Clear your off Facebook activity from your account. Here are some things to know. Your activity history will be disconnected from your account. We will continue to receive your activity from the businesses and organizations you visit in the future. You will still see the same number of ads. Your ad preferences and actions you take on Facebook will be used to show you relevant ads. Okay, so on this screen you have to tap on this clear history, this button. So let me tap on this, and it's clearing the history. And you can see guys the message at the bottom, your activity has been cleared. And you can see the message over here also, you have no available activity to show at this time. After that you can go back, and you can see guys we don't have any websites over here. You have no available activity to show at this time. After that you can close your Facebook app if you want. So let me close that. So that's it guys. In this way you can easily clear your off Facebook activity history from Facebook on Android. So thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please support this channel by subscribing to it. Thanks. Bye bye.